Okay, let us say in electrochemistry, it's a very important topic. That is the relation between pH of hydrogen electrode and EMF of the cell. So, if we consider the hydrogen electrode, actually the representation of hydrogen electrode is what? This is the hydrogen electrode. It is represented as PT solid, H2 gas, oblique H positive ion concentration aqueous. So for hydrogen electrode, the reaction, that is the half cell reaction. Half cell reaction of hydrogen electrode will be what? That is the H positive plus 1 electron. It is converted to half H2 gas. This is aqueous. So for this cell, if we write the Nernst equation, equation of hydrogen electrode. So this will be E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by 1 electron is transferred into log 1 by H positive ion concentration. So if we see this, that is for SHE standard hydrogen electrode, E naught cell is 0. Say this is equation 1. Now this equation 1 will become what? That is the E cell will become equals to minus 0.0591 into log H positive 1 by H positive. So this will become equals to what? E cell. Now E cell will become equals to plus 0.0591 into log H positive ion concentration. So if we multiply by negative on both sides, that is, say this is the equation. If we multiply this is equation 2. Then we will see that is the equation 2 multiply equation 2 by negative sign on both sides. So here we will get negative E cell will become equals to negative 0.0591 into log H positive, or we can write it as what? That is minus E cell upon 0.0591 becomes equals to negative log H positive. So negative log H positive is what? pH. So pH will become equals to what? Negative EMF of the cell upon 0.0591. So this is the relation for pH. This is equation suppose 3. So if we know the EMF of the cell for particular hydrogen electrode, then we can determine the pH of the solution. For example, we can consider one problem here. Say we are having here, we are having hydrogen electrode A. It contains buffer solution of weak acid, say RCOH, and its salt RCONA with concentration X and Ym respectively. So in this condition, EMF of the half cell is found to be E1. Now we are having another hydrogen electrode, that is HEB. In this cell, concentration of RCOOH and RCOONA is altered. That is, RCOH concentration is Ym and RCONA concentration is Xm. EMF becomes E2. So in this condition, now we can see, that is, if pKa is or we can say now that way, if or we can say, that is, for acid, K is the ionization constant of RCOH. Then determine the relation between pK and E1 pK comma E1 and E2. So this is the question. Now we can see solution. that is for hydrogen electrode A, pH will be equals to minus E1 by 0.0591. Already we have determined this formula. That is the pH1, and the pH1 is also equals to what? pK according to the buffer solution, log salt by acid. So say this is equation 2, and the pH2 is equals to what? That is minus E2 by 0.0591. So this pH2 will also be equals to what? pKa plus log salt by acid concentration. Now we can put the values of concentration of salt and acid. So here we will get, that is pH1 equals to pKa plus log concentration of salt is Y in the first cell, concentration of acid is X. Equation 3, pH2 is equals to what? pKa plus log X upon Y. Equation 4. Now we can see by adding equation 3 and 4, we will get, that is pH1 plus pH2 is equals to 2 pK, and these two terms will be cancelled out. That is these two terms will be cancelled out. This log y by x plus log x upon y, so they will be cancelled out. So here we will get, that is pH1 value, that is the 2 pKa. pH1 in terms of this minus E1 upon 0.0591 and plus minus E2 by 0.0591. So now we can again simplify the equation. So 2 pK1, now we can take the negative common. So this will become what? E1 plus E2 divided by 0.0591. Or we can write it as what? pK1 will be equals to negative E1 plus E2 divided by 0.0591 into 2. So pK will become equals to what? Negative E1 plus E2 divided by 0.11a. So this is the final solution for that relation. So in that way, we can determine the pH. Whatever type of acid solution is given, that will be basically hydrogen electrode. So again, we can see for concentration hydrogen electrode, that is the relation between pH and EMF of concentration hydrogen cell. So concentration hydrogen cell can be represented as what? Pt solid, H2 gas divided by, suppose here we are having HCl separated by salt bridge. Here we are having, suppose, HNO3. This is H2 gas separated by, this is platinum electrode. So if the concentration of HCl here is, if the concentration of HCl is suppose C1 and the concentration of C2, HNO3 is C2. So for this Nernst equation can be written as, this will become that is E cell will become equals to what? E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N into log H positive ion concentration into LHE upon H positive ion concentration into RH. So that is E cell will become equals to what here? E naught cell for SHE, since for SHE E naught cell is 0. So it can be written as what? Minus 0.0591 and N is 1 divided, that is log H positive of LHE means L, H positive of RHE means R. So again we can see this term will become equals to what? Minus log H positive of L will be pH of L minus pH of R. Now this will become what? E cell divided by 0.0591. So in that way we can calculate the pH, whatever concentration cell is given. If we are having, that is, if weak acids are given, that is PT solid, H2 gas oblique HA is the weak acid separated with C1 concentration, and HB is the another weak acid separated H2 gas PT solid. So for this K1 is given, for this K2 is given. So in the LHE, H positive ion concentration in LHE, left hand electrode, H positive ion concentration will be equals to what? Root K1 into CV. That thing we already know, that in ionic equilibrium. And in RHE, H positive R, we can say this will be equals to what? Root K2 into C1. This is L. So now we already know that is the pH of L minus pH of R. This becomes equals to EMF of the cell divided by 0.0591. So pH of L will be equals to what? Root K1 upon C1, negative log of this, minus negative log of this one will be equals to what? Root K. Sorry, this is the negative. Okay, negative, and pH is negative log. So this will be K2 by C1 equals to E cell upon 0.0591. So by putting the values of K1 and K2, C1 and C2, this is sorry C2. This is C2. Then we can determine the value of EMF. This is C2. So by that way, you can determine the value of EMF if the pH or H positive ion concentration and K1, K2 are given for this thing. Okay, we will discuss some more problem in the next lecture with this pH value. Now I am leaving. Okay, bye to everybody.